Hey guys, I'm Laura from Cherubs Chalks Interiors. I'm a content creator from Dixie Belle Paint, and I'm here again today to show you our next project. This pine chest of drawers is gorgeous, but it's seen better days. So today I'm going to be using Dixie Belle Paint and the bells and whistles transfers to give it a whole new look. Don't forget to subscribe to Dixie Belle Paint's YouTube channel for more furniture tutorials like this one. You can also find me at Cherubs Chalks Interiors on all of the social media sites.
This is how the piece began. It's a little tired and begging for a new look. To begin with, I remove all of the old layers of wax using my carbide scraper. After I have removed all of the wax, I then sand the surface smooth. I then apply a layer of clear Boss primer. Now it's time to apply the base coat using my flat medium synthetic brush. Now I am going to begin layering up different shades of blues in a transparent effect. To do this, I am using a damp sponge and misting the surface slightly with my mister. I then apply using the sponge in circular motions. Where the paint seems a little bit too thick, I will then lightly mist again with some water. Once the previous layers are dry, I will then repeat the process using different shades of blue. I leave the paint to dry for 24 hours, and now it's time to apply the transfers. I am using the Bells and Whistles Translucent Garden Transfer, which consists of pretty flowers, dragonflies and butterflies. I start by cutting out all of the individual pieces of the transfer, and then I will slowly build them up across the piece. In some areas, the transfers are overlapping the edges of the drawers. These will need to be cut to allow the drawers to open. I use my Stanley knife and cut the transfer before removing the transfer paper. I use the wooden transfer tool provided with the transfer to burnish the image onto the surface. It is important to take your time to ensure that all of the transfer has adhered to the surface before removing the clear sheeting. Once I have finished applying the transfers, I will seal the piece using 2 coats of flat clear coat. I decant the clear coat onto a plastic tray, and then I use my blue Dixie Belle sponge to simply wipe over the product. Here is the final look. I think this piece has a real magical vibe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has inspired you to go and create some beautiful furniture of your own. Remember to subscribe to Dixie Belle Paint's YouTube channel for more furniture tutorials. You can find us on all social media platforms at Cherubs Chalks Interiors. See you there soon!